Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today, let's practice how we can quickly make lecture notes or other worksheets in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's go. So, I open up PowerPoint and I have this blank slide right here. I want to start with a blank slide, nothing to type on. And as you can see here, it's not the shape of a piece of paper. We need to change the size. So go to Slide Size, Custom Slide Size, and now we have many choices. Let's go with A4 paper and Portrait. So it's a up and down and maximize. Good. Now we have a blank sheet of A4 paper. Now go to Insert, Shapes. We'll make our first shape. What I like about the shapes in PowerPoint is you can type directly on them. So let's give it a title, Lecture Notes, Flipped Learning. Good. Now, what's great about PowerPoint as opposed to Word is that it's very easy to size and resize and to move around pieces of text. And once I make a shape, hit Control C, Control V, and then you can copy the shapes. And it's much easier to save the format of a particular shape. You save so much time. So now let's make some section headings. Part 1, what is flipped learning? Copy, paste, and let's make a second heading. Part 2. Part 2 is pros and cons. Good. Now we have two section headings. Let's copy paste again. Now it's time to make a question. Also in PowerPoint, all the shapes will snap to fit and align with each other. So let's have a question. Define flipped learning. Good. That's a worthwhile question for this lecture. After that, it's very easy to change the size of the box to give the students more space to write. And you can even create some lines in order to give the students some space to write on. It's very easy to adjust the shape. Now, going to Home and Align Text, you can put it on the top, so that makes it look like a lot more smoother. Boom, boom, Control C, Control V. And now let's change the line spacing. This will allow students to write with larger letters. Again, copy and paste. It makes it very efficient to create another question box. It's very easy to move the different pieces around so that they all fit together. Let's make a new question. How does the teacher's role change in a flipped classroom? Okay, I wish I could type as fast as I speak. Copy paste again. Let's make another question. What are some benefits of a flipped classroom? Okay, I'll delete this extra space right here. This will allow us to, once again, shrink the size. A lot of this is just sizing and resizing objects. You can also draw a box around multiple objects and move them around. I'll copy paste. I'll make one final question here. What do we got? What are some drawbacks? Again, by copying and pasting these objects, all I have to do is change one word and I have a brand new question. It's so quick and efficient to create handouts this way. Now, if I go to Format Objects, I can also change the color inside the box. I'll make this one the same color here as well. Section headings can be black and the title can be green. And now, as you can see here, I'll move these around so that they are in the center. And boom, we have a lovely worksheet that students can use when taking notes. What I love about making worksheets in PowerPoint is it's very easy to move around pieces of text It's very easy to change the size of the objects. It's very easy to add images. It's really easy to set the design exactly as you want, very cleanly and efficiently. And it's lovely to use copy and paste in order to recreate objects. That way you only have to change a word or a sentence, and you can create multiple different questions on a handout. So, thank you for listening today. I hope that you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in class next time. Until then, cheers!